In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MMD models to Blender. If you want to bring MikuMikuDance characters into Blender, you'll need a small but essential plugin called MMD Tools. It teaches Blender how to read .pmx and .pmd files, which are the standard MMD model formats used by most MMD assets. First, download an MMD model from a reputable source. Models usually arrive as a zip or .rar archive. Before you import anything, extract the archive to a simple folder path on your drive. Inside the extracted folder, locate the .pmx or .pmd file and make sure all textures and other resources that came with the model stay in the same folder as the model file. Avoid renaming or moving files at this stage. The importer relies on the original folder structure to find textures correctly. Now, open Blender. You can use a fresh scene or your current project, but it's a good idea to save your work before installing add-ons or importing large models. Next, install and enable the MMD Tools add-on. Go to Edit Preferences. In Blender 4.x, open Get Extensions and search for MMD Tools. Install it if it's not already present, then enable the checkbox to activate it. If you don't see it in Get Extensions, you can install it manually. Download the MMD Tools zip from its official repository, return to Preferences, choose Add-ons, click Install, select the zip you downloaded, and then enable the add-on. With the add-on active, you're ready to import. Go to File, Import, and choose MikuMikuDance Model, .pmx.pmd. Browse to your extracted folder, select the .pmx or .pmd file, and click Import Model. Blender will take a moment to process the mesh, armature, materials, and textures. Larger or more complex models can take longer, so give it a few seconds and keep an eye on the status bar. When it finishes, your character should appear in the 3D viewport. If you don't immediately see the model, select the imported collection or armature in the outliner, then press the numpad period key to frame it. Switching the viewport to material preview or rendered view helps confirm that textures are displaying as expected. If the model looks pink, that means textures are missing. Place all image files back in the same folder as the .pmx file and re-import. Keeping everything together is the most reliable way to avoid broken paths. From here, you can start creating. Enter pose mode on the armature to position the character, adjust materials in the shader editor, add lights and cameras to set your scene, and render when you're ready. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials.